Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is your boy, The Wolf Crypto here, bringing you guys another video today. And today we're going to be looking at Prime XBT. I believe they have developed some new features. I know it's been a while since I've last used it. Um, but they do have a lot of different assets that they offer, a lot of different trading tools. As far as the different trading instruments that you are going to be able to use on this particular platform, you got crypto, you got forex, you got commodities, you got indices. So you got a lot that you're working with here. Now, as far as who they're about, we'll go ahead and check this out a little bit. Now, the company, as you can see, it's been founded 2018. Like I said, it's got over 50 plus trading assets, and you look at the average daily volume, about almost 550 mil coming in. 12 plus liquidity providers. Looks like they got 3 offices with over 75 plus employees. Now you can see that as far as their partners or what's powered by, you got the Bitfury Crystal, Dev Experts, and Covesting. The Covesting, now also to do note this, that if you guys are watching this video, if you guys do live in the United States, it's definitely going to be tough for you to use some of the features as far as just the platform itself, because it's not really technically speaking available in the States, but you are able to, still use it. Just won't be able to use certain features, especially that one that I was hoping to be able to use, which is Covesting. But you're actually, unfortunately, like I said, you're not able to use that. But as far as PrimeXBT trading platform, has a downloadable app as well. But PrimeXBT is an award-winning Bitcoin-based margin trading platform. It offers, like I said, access to over 50 assets, including crypto, commodities, indices, S&P 500, DAX, NASDAQ, and much more. And this is all from a single account. Like I said, the Covesting, fortunately, this is something that, again, if you guys have seen some of my other videos when it comes to copy trading, this is a cool feature for traders that are out there. But like I said, if you are in the United States, that's just, like I said, it's not possible. Now, you can also use your Bitcoin as margin collateral to trade all the available assets. Now, as you guys can know, these last couple months, very exciting as far as trading goes. So when it comes to that leverage trading, obviously a lot more risk, but the rewards, as you can see, there are different leverage levels. You got without leverage, obviously not too much, with the 1 to 20 leverage, 1 to 50, and then the 1 to 100 leverage. Obviously, you can make some, like I said, some serious cash flow if you know what you're doing when it comes to leverage trading. Now, I'm just reviewing this platform because I know I haven't used it in a while. And I believe, like I said, this platform, for those of you that are out there that like to, trade with different within different markets, again, this makes it a lot easier. Just for the fact, because if you're a trader and you're constantly jumping on different exchanges, you know how it's much of a hassle. But being able to, like I said, to have one account where you're able to access all these different markets, and it offers a variety of range of products and features that are not necessarily seen on different cryptocurrency platforms. Now, the copy trading, like I said, I was already talking about that a little bit earlier. That is something that I think you're going to start to see a lot on exchanges down the line, because I think it just gives that extra incentive as far as traders sharing some of their moves and being able to kind of maximize that profit after that as well. So that's something else that's pretty nice. Now, PrimeXBT does respect user privacy. It has strong controls as far as place for data protection. Add to that, there is no KYC, so The risk of exposing your personal data is very low. Um, Now, as far as the actual platform, this is the nice little dashboard here. As you can see, this is the different wallets you guys have uh, available to you. We got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USD coin, and then obviously Covesting. But like I said, won't be able to partake in that, which kind of sucks. But hey, it is what it is. There is an address whitelisting feature here. This offers added security so that even if the account gets compromised, the funds are protected as withdrawals can only be executed to previously whitelisted addresses. So let's say we got a couple of addresses that you only want to withdraw your money to. You're going to have to do that process where you put them on the whitelist, and it just gives you that extra security, extra layer of protection over your funds. Now, as far as the margin, like I said, you can open a margin account. I'm using your BTC. Now the Turbo BTC, this is the demo account. I believe you could just, obviously use some play money just to see how everything works out. And then as you can see, these are the different co-vesting. And these are the top people. As you can see, we got, look at this, total profit 55%, followers equity. Wow, sheesh. Yeah, I know you see that. 9 Bitcoin. That's something right there. But obviously, like I said, won't be able to sadly participate in that. But as far as the referral game goes, it's got a nice little 4-level referral system. Allows users to build an income generating network and profit not only from direct referrals, but also from referrals from others, people that you guys also bring to the platform. So as you guys can see, first level direct, you get 20%. Next level is 15, 10 after that, and then the last level, which is level 4, you get a nice 5%. So I'll leave all the different links down below in case you guys want to sign up. And also, too, do note, I will also have a promo code for you guys. You guys will get a 50% deposit bonus. Just use that when you guys are getting ready to make your nice little deposit. Now, as far as the trading platform, let's go ahead and go to that. So right here we have the nice little trading dashboard where you got all your different variety of markets. As you guys know, a diversified strategy can hedge your risk. So apart from Bitcoin and altcoins, you do have the option exposure to all these different indices, these different metals, commodities, which will also help reduce your risk exposure. Now with PrimeXBT, they operate a little bit differently from most trading platforms. They have an STP rather than PTP. STP basically stands for straight through processing, means that instead of matching users internally or with market made algorithm, PrimeXBT will send out all their orders to its liquidity providers, which I was speaking on that earlier, how they have about 12 plus of those, which gives users more liquidity and less slippage compared to other platforms. For example, placing an order on crude oil, contract sends it automatically to their partners, including large brokerages and banks for a match. Once the market triggers the order, it gets executed on your account. This advantage is because it allows users to access international markets with deep liquidity. So, like I said, when you're able to trade with different markets, just gives you a better variety. Now, as far as order types go, let's go ahead and figure out how to put in an order. So if you want to place an order, it's pretty cool, pretty easy. If you right click directly on the symbol, brings up a buy or sell. Additionally, there are OCO orders available on the platform, which are one cancels the other, which is an order type that allows you to place 2 orders. So when one executes, the other gets canceled automatically. This is often used by professional traders to trade on the price breakout from the range. It's useful when you're unsure of the break direction but expect a significant price change. For convenience, an order window shows margin impact, giving information on the amount of equity available to trade with. Remember, it's not advisable to use more than 50% of your available margin, otherwise you risk getting margin called or liquidated. So you come here, so you got your order types, you got the market, limit, stop, and the OCO. Go ahead, put in however much you're going to pay. If you're going to pay at the market or if you're going to pay at the limit price, you set your limit price, do it like that. Pretty easy, pretty simple. So those are different order types. Now, leverage, which is something I was already mentioned and talked about a little bit earlier. It's another important thing to mention about this platform. You got anything from 1 to 100. So obviously, those of you that are not familiar with leverage trading, for example, if you have 1 BTC on your account, this allows you to open a 100 BTC position at a 100 to 1 leverage. By opening this trade, you utilize the maximum possible margin of 100%. In such cases, it's very likely you will get a margin call or liquidate it if the price goes against your trade. Whereas if you only open a trade for 20 BTC, which is only 20% of the available margin used, this gives more buffer to open additional trades or simply leaving a lot room for the price to move. It's always recommended to have more than 50% of margin available to minimize liquidation risk, especially on these high volatile markets. Now, as far as the fees are pretty low. I believe they're about 0.001, something like that. Now, as far as PrimeXBT fees, they do have a nice little fee link. I'll drop that below if you guys want to expand and read on that. Some exchanges offer 0.075 for takers while allowing rebate from makers. PrimeXBT, such as the XBTP broker, and pays for execution on a liquidity provider. This means they cannot offer market maker rebates, and again, trading fees are highly competitive at a 0.05% and even cheaper on some other markets. Now, as far as Turbo, now here we have the Turbo feature of PrimeXBT. PrimeXBT constantly introduces new features and tools almost every quarter. This feature right here allows users to bet on the price action of multiple assets within very short time frames. So these are different assets that you can wager on. You can earn up to 9% by predicting how the price will change in the next 30 seconds, a minute, or 5 minutes. Every asset has its own payout ratio and contract durations. So this is the one free demo account as far as BTC goes. Please note, like I said, this is a demo. Kind of just get you familiar before you want to actually test out the ropes. Please note that this product involves a high risk of capital loss. If your prediction is correct, you profit. However, if your prediction is wrong, you will lose the invested amount. So again, this is more so recommended if you just want to try this out before you even get your hands on the bad boy, the real one. Now, as far as, again, this is unfortunate for people that are in the United States, the Covesting feature, which is for traders, so it's gold mine. It's a fully licensed DLT service provider. Covesting was one of the ways of the first to receive a DLT license in Gilbert along with Uobi, eToro, and TX. This allows traders to set up and manage trading strategies. It shows a pool of trader assets visible to the public and can be copied by others. And again, you can see how many different people and traders are following the profits. Like all the analytics are there. This provides opportunities for both experienced successful traders and followers to boost each other's profit potential. So it's a win-win situation here. After the platform upgrade, you can now create a strategy or follow traders using USDC, Tether, and other currencies. Now, as far as support and viability, PrimeXBT 24/7 support team. So if you guys want to hit them up in the chat, they're always available. No need to email. Don't have to wait hours to get a reply. Another thing that PrimeXBT resolves is any potential outage downtime. In the past, when issues have came up, PrimeXBT has always taken the responsibility to compensate its users. things can happen, and there's always a lot of moving parts to operating a trading platform, including reliance on third-party services outside the company's control. The main thing is that the platform use disputes fairly. If you guys check out some of their social media accounts and their Twitter feed and stuff like that, you'll see that they really do mean this. Now, to wrap this kind of up, as far as PrimeXBT goes, like I said, it is different from most traditional exchanges that you are accustomed to. There's a lot of different execution. Now, again, one account, trade in different markets. So you have a lot of variables, a lot of different ways to hedge your risks and all your different trading strategies. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you guys please leave some comments, give a like, share with your friends. Also, hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. And until next time, y'all, take care.